Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to delete a pivot table in Excel in just 5 easy steps. But before we begin, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Step 1. Select any cell in the pivot table that you want to delete. You can do this by clicking on any cell within the pivot table range. Step 2. Click on the Pivot Table Analyze tab in the ribbon. This is that tab that appears when you select a pivot table. It has various options and tools for working with pivot tables. Step 3. In the Pivot Table Analyze tab, click on the Select option. This is the option that lets you select different parts of the pivot table, such as the data, the fields, the labels, or the entire table. Step 4. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on the Entire Pivot Table option. This will select the whole pivot table, including the data, the fields, and the formatting. Step 5. Hit the Delete key on your keyboard. This will delete the entire pivot table from your worksheet. And that's it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.